A resident narrowly escaped death in Manchester after angry residents descended on him and tried to exact their own form of justice. The dramatic scenes unfolded in Kasha District, Top Albion, Manchester, after the male resident reportedly attacked and killed another man. The deceased has been identified as Javon Jackson, also known as Reds. Police and the soldiers were alerted and quickly arrived. Residents used debris to try and prevent the soldiers and police from entering and exiting the community. However, the large deployment of security personnel managed to complete the task.
Left my friend this morning and say, yo, let's look more. Me come back here and say, unsound mind man kill my friend. That can't work. Him is no unsound mind, him a play mad. Him a play. Mad man never out a garbage. Mad man never out a garbage. If you need man, he wouldn't run and hide. I'm a friend there.
There was a stabbing incident in this community where one man succumbed. Another citizen who is accused as the suspect. He was attacked by angry residents here today, and the police were called in, and we successfully extracted him a short while ago. He himself was injured